Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off restrictions on your iPhone. If you're having trouble accessing certain apps or features, restrictions might be enabled. Let's go through the steps to disable them. Before moving next, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. If you have subscribed, then like this video at the end. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where Apple manages content and privacy restrictions. Inside Screen Time, you'll see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. If prompted, enter your Screen Time passcode. This is different from your regular unlock code. If you forgot it, please watch my video to reset the Screen Time passcode. Next, turn the toggle off the switch next to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once it's off, all the restrictions will be disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off restrictions on your iPhone. Now you should have full access to all apps and features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.